To set up timer on the Samsung Galaxy S26, open the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and you will have to go for for digital wellbeing and parental controls. Now we have to go below for up timers. You have to just click here to set the up timer, and if it will be new, then you can click here and select what you want to do. For example, I want to set this on the PUBG, so I'm gonna delete the internet browser. You can add multiple things if you want. Now we have to click done, and here we can set name for this, set an alert, like for example 5 minutes before the end time you will get this alert. And here you can just set for any date. So let's say I only want to set a timer for Monday, and I can spend like 1 hour and 10 minutes during the game. On the game, yeah. So now, as you can see, I just set this up, and that's pretty much it. But today it's turned off. So if I'm gonna set this for Sunday, I can find time left.